everything you need to know about sacred geometry and plasma physics. I am going to simplify for you right now in this very short video. You don't need algebra or calculus, you don't need a calculator, you don't need anything. There's absolutely nothing in this that's going to give you a migraine. It's just going to be very beautiful, and it's going to expand that mind a little bit more. Okay, I got a picture drawn out for you. Hold on. Let's see. All right. Okay. Now, I cut out and glued on a piece of paper in my notebook a section from a very large flower of life. Okay, that is, this one, the sphere right there, with these little curlicues going through it. Okay, all from a flower of life. It's just blown up, but you never noticed this before, and I'm the first one to discover it. So anyway, here we go. Okay, so in the blue, those are your curlicues. The blue spirals right there, okay? But those right there, those are called Birkeland currents, okay? Birkeland currents, all right? These, what do you call it? These are like, they're electric currents. They're electrical currents that travel great distances through the cosmos and like externally power stars and stuff, and like our planet is connected to our star through this darn thing, and all planets and stars and galaxies. There's math to back up everything that I'm talking about, by the way, if you're one of those lame mathematicians who need your 2 + 2 is 4, right? But yeah, all planetary bodies exist on like on basically strings. We have pictures of this. Galaxies, stars, yeah, they're all on strings, and it's all great big electrical plasma network, like a heart is like hardwired neurologically. All right, and what happens from space when a Birkeland current comes into a planet? Number one, you can see this in our aurora borealis. You can see it in our oceans, for example. You can also see it in the poles very clearly on Saturn. You get counter-rotating Fibonacci spirals. You get that counter-spiraling effect. Okay, that's one of the things that happens there. And on Earth, and if you look at like our weather systems, you look at very powerful like tornadoes and hurricanes, and they all have this. They all have the Fibonacci spiral like geometry, right? And this is our weather. A lot that has to do with our weather actually has to do with these external currents, right? You could actually, if you look the right way, if we had the right 3D model, you could actually see the Fibonacci spiral. There's a bunch of different ways you can look at it. How it like marks start here, but might go like up 2, 3 stories into the flower of life, kind of spiraling around like a woven tapestry or something. All right, that's number one. So that the red circle right there, that's for our planet moon. Think of that kind of stuff. And then in the purple, this is going to be the most important part here. All right, the purple is a torus field. And we're also very aware that these exist around celestial bodies. Right, we have an electromagnetic field around the planet, which is the greens and the oranges there. They're all torus is all out of like Fibonacci spirals. It oscillates like inside of itself. It's beautiful. So they're right there in the purple. You see Taurus. This is where Nikola Tesla got his he knew about the torus geometry yet. I don't think there's any way he could have possibly known about it, because this is like we've needed like special technology for this today just to be able to observe it. But Tesla coil has to do with torus there. But okay. So yeah, now very important. Pay attention. Electrical engineers will know this, and physicists who really know what the hell they're talking about will also be able to recognize this. What is the only thing that creates a magnetic field for the people that say space is empty? Void, all that kind of stuff. Relativity fans, all that, What creates a magnetic field? What? Electric currents. That is the only fucking thing that creates your magnetic field, okay? It's coming from space. There's electricity everywhere, very abundant multiverse of plasma everywhere. It's ridiculous that we're still paying for this shit. All right, this is part of free energy technology, right? And finally, the most important part, gravity. I got it worked out, and it's actually very simple. Very simple. It's just intuitive. You look at those tornadoes, hurricanes, and all that stuff again, and we're thinking about the torus and Fibonacci. This is everywhere, all over nature, at different levels, microcosm to the macrocosm. You look at the right picture of a carbon atom under the right microscope, whatever the hell, and it's a spiral. You'll see a little spiral. Okay, but yeah, you think of this gigantic torus thing, and the center centrifuge with the Birkeland current coming in, and kind of you have these really tightly compact spirals in the center, and you'll see that like when you're drinking like your tub, or you're flushing like your toilet, or some spiral effect. With water, with that kind of matter, water, you could really see the geometry of this stuff. But matter is basically just following. It's just an oscillation, the field that we're just following. That's why we fall on our ass when we come tumbling down a mountain. We're just following spirals down the core of the torus. All right. Yeah, that's it. Damn, that's under 7 minutes. That's pretty fucking impressive in my opinion. Like, share, tell your friends. Official Source Theory. Thanks for watching. Mwah.